Today I'm going to walk you through the steps of building your first mobile-first website. Our platform may appear to be a little intimidating at first, but it's actually very simple to use once you get used to it. Keep in mind that the Help section here on the left is here to help you throughout this process. This section contains all of your help articles, and get to know all of the videos thoroughly. When you first start, you might not have any articles in the Help section. If your account is brand new, you may have to import help articles and/or videos into your platform. To do that, you'll see a little icon right about here. Those articles and/or videos will appear right here. Click that button and follow the prompts to import them into your platform. Now, if you have any updates, new templates, or notifications, they will appear in this window. Depending on your account, your templates may have already been automatically posted, so check to see if they're there first. Whenever you want to check your account, you can click in the upper right-hand corner where the email exists. When you click there, your profile button will also appear. Click on it to go to your profile, to change your password, or even change your email address. Now, if for some reason you get an error message when attempting to change your email address, this simply means that it is already likely in use within our system, or that it's rejected because it's a bad email. If this happens, you'll simply have to choose another email address. Once you're familiar with our platform and you're ready to build your website, it's actually very simple. Go to your home, click the Mobile and Desktop Sites button right here. Or off to the left, you can click the Mobile and Desktop Sites button here. And this will take you to your list of websites. Now, since this is a new account, a new platform, there are no websites, but it's very easy to build one. Simply click this green button to build your new site. This will open up the Site Wizard. The wizard allows you to choose a pre-made template, which you can modify as you see fit. Or if you click here where it says, click here, you can jump directly into our site editor with a blank website. So we'll just click OK, and this will take us to our available templates that we'll have to choose from. At this point, you're going to need to figure out what type of website you want to build. What would a good starting point look like? All of these templates can be easily modified. You can change them as you go. These templates are designed to be replaced with your content. Okay. Let's assume that you own a business, and you want a nice website to represent your business. Browse through these templates, and when you click on one, it will open up and show you what it looks like. Here's a preview of what it would look like on a phone. So if you owned a restaurant or a burger joint, you can see what this template would look like to start with. You can replace anything on this website: text, colors, images, anything to reflect your business. If you don't like this template, simply click the back button, and it will take you to the available list of templates. If you're satisfied with this template, simply click the green button. This will allow you to turn this template into a website. Once you click the green button, it's going to ask you to give it a name. Once you give it a name and click OK, it's going to turn this template into a website. It will be uploaded to our server, and you can begin editing your site immediately. You can even share it immediately, because now it's live. Now, as you can see, here's our website. This takes you to your main list of pages. So here's your home page, and here are all the sub-pages underneath it. And here's what the website looks like. If you want to see the full preview of this website, simply click the gray button at the top here that says View Site. This will open our previewer. This will show you exactly what this site is going to look like on a phone, on a desktop computer, and on a tablet. Keep in mind that this platform is designed to be mobile first. Now, this is different than responsive, because responsive will give you one website that will adapt to the screen that you're viewing it from, whereas our platform is always going to be mobile first, and then it adapts to the larger screens, while letting you choose what is seen on each of the screen sizes. So you actually have a lot of control with our Mobile is Everywhere platform. Keep in mind, it's not like WordPress where you have a blank website that you can modify however you want. These are mobile-first websites, so they're always going to be mobile-friendly. And they're going to be a little different than what you're used to building. If you want to see a complete preview of your website and you want to share that to someone's desktop or phone, you can simply click View this site full screen. This will allow you to open up the HTML of the site. You can go to the top here, copy the HTML, and send it to someone. They can view your site live because it's hosted the moment you create it. Any changes you make on the site builder are going to reflect on this live version instantly once you've saved them. When you go back to the site builder, all you have to do at this point is replace the content with your own content. You can do this in one of two ways. You can click the Edit button on this preview here, and this will take you to that particular widget that has this content. See how I click the Edit button and it takes me to the widget that has that content. This is where I would click one of the items, modify it, replace the text, replace the image with whatever I want, then save it, and that will reflect the changes instantly. The other method in changing the website is to go to the main pages here. You can see all of your available pages, and you can just simply click on the page that you want to work with. This will show you a list of all the widgets on that particular page. The food ordering widget is this one right here. This allows you to order burgers directly from the website. And below that we have a content block, which is text and images. In this case, it's the text that you see right here. So if you ever want to change your website, you would simply add a widget. Or you would open up an existing widget like this content block, and then you would modify the text however you see fit. Add any images or replace pictures or videos. Once you've saved, it will reflect instantly. Then you can review your site. You can see your changes on various screens. You can also view it in full screen and share it with your friends, family, and clients.